Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for hotels on the Hurb application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the highlights button in the left side corner down below, and after that tap on hotels at the top of the screen. Then you should set your hotel destination, so type it in, select the check-in and check-out date, tap on confirm date down below, select the number of guests and rooms, click on apply and tap on the search button down below in order to be able to browse among the results. So here you will be able to find all of the available hotels, apartments and stays. So here you can check them out as you scroll down. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in to check out more details, and you can also narrow down your search by applying filters down below. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.